Well, there's the easy score, and then there's a little more difficult score that's halal, and it keeps you going a little longer. Oops. Be quiet, there might be people listening. It's top secret information. I was talking about was strategizing. You don't just run out and get like a snack and go in that cycle. I just broke the cycle that I'm walking around. I don't have mind control making me think I have to do this or that. It's like I'm off the grid. And a lot of people are probably panicking because I'm not being monitored as well. I've seen little glimpses of people coming in that I haven't seen coming in for a while. So there's a lot of concern in the psychic intelligence community, illegal surveillance monitoring community, remote neural monitoring, wondering how I got off the grid, what's going on here. That it's like an energetic glitch or disturbance that helps, so they can't figure out what's going on. So alhamdulillah for that.